Welcome to my channel, PAYE4U, UK Payroll Made Simple. With over 10 years of payroll experience, I'm here to explain how payroll really works in the UK, step by step. I explain UK payroll, PAYE, payslips, tax codes, pensions, and national insurance in simple, clear videos so that everyone can understand easily. This channel is for employees who wants to understand their pay and deductions, small business owners, and payroll professionals who want to understand UK payroll step by step. So, if you want to learn more about UK payroll, why are you waiting? Subscribe to PAYE4U, UK and take the confusion out of payroll. As this is the introductory video, I am going to start with the basics of UK payroll. Let's start. What is payroll? The key components of UK payroll, and they are gross pay, PAYE, pay as you earn, income tax, national insurance, pension contribution, finally the net amount. These are the main key elements of UK payroll. Also, we will look why it's important to understand the payroll. First, what is payroll? Payroll is the process of calculating and paying employees for their work. In the UK, payroll isn't just about wages, it also includes tax deductions, national insurance, pensions, and HMRC reporting. Whether you're an employee trying to understand your payslip, or a small business running payroll for staff, knowing the basics is essential. Let's break it down step by step. Gross pay. This is your total pay before any deductions. PAYE, pay as you earn. The system HMRC uses to collect income tax directly from your wages. Income tax. This will calculate it based on your tax code and personal allowance. National insurance. Contributions that go toward benefits and the state pension. Pension contributions. If you're enrolled in a workplace pension, a portion of your pay goes there too. Net pay. Finally, the net amount. This is what you actually take home after all the deductions. Let's see why it's important. For employees, understanding payroll means you can check your payslip and make sure you're paid correctly. For employers, it's all about staying compliant with HMRC, avoiding penalties, and making sure staff are paid on time. And that's the basics of how UK payroll works. Next video, we'll go deeper into UK payslips. I will explain line by line, so you'll know exactly what every number means. Thanks for watching PAYE4U, UK, Payroll Made Simple. If you have any payroll questions, drop them in the comments or email me, and I'll cover them in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a guide. Thank you and we'll see you on next video. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only. It should not be taken as financial or legal advice. For individual payroll queries, please contact HMRC or a professional advisor.